Growing your SaaS is hard, especially when nobody knows that it exists. In the last video, we learned about programmatic SEO, and in this video, we will be learning about free tool marketing, how to use free tool to market your product. Let me show you some examples that will be of free tools that are being used by SaaS product creators to market their product. First one is LogoFast. LogoFast is a free tool created by Mark Liu, and in this free tool it just creates logo, and who wanted to create a logo also want to learn about how to code. Also, maybe they want to learn about how to code faster, so he is advertising here his another paid product, that is CodeFast. Second example is by Revit.ai. Revit.ai is a viral videos creator, and here we can see that it have multiple free tools that are being used to market their own product, that is Revit.ai. Here it is AI TikTok video generator, add caption to video, PDF to engaging video, and much more. These tools are free on purpose to market their product. And the next example I will be showing you is Ahref. Ahref have a great free keyword tool generator that provides little bit information about the keywords like their KD, volume, and search volume. Let's search and test it out. Let's say I search for iPhone, and it's a free tool, and below we can see that they are marketing it on their own for their own paid products. Once we search on Ahref, we found that these are some of the keywords, and in below there is need more, try Ahref starter plan, that is $29 per month. Next example is tinyapis.io. That is my product, and I am using free tool marketing on this product also, that is free background removal. You just upload an image and get your image removed, and what I am selling here is Tiny APIs, that is Tiny APIs main product, that is APIs around remove image background. I will also be creating more free tools in Tiny APIs to market my own product. This is how you can use free tool marketing and free tools by shipping your free tools faster, and you can ship them on separate domain or in the same domain, and you can market your product using this. One more tool is Toolpad, that allows you to create free tools and generate leads. Here is an example, that is LinkedIn post generator. If someone have a tool that is related to LinkedIn, and he can provide free tool like LinkedIn post generator, etc. Most SaaS companies are using this free tool marketing to market their paid products. So this is how you use free tool to market your own product by adding an advertising at the site or anywhere in the page where your free tool is. It's easy to build, and it's a smaller solution that you provide to a bigger problem that you solve through your product. Follow for more growth videos like these.